Hey guys, it's AirsoftEdition. Today, well right now, I'm Shazam, and Cameron's holding the camera right now. My tripod is broken. Sorry for that. This is a package from East Coast Airsoft, and here we go. Oh, and for you guys out there that say, cut away from yourself, you're gonna stab yourself? Cutting away from myself, so you can stop those comments. Okay, now, cameraman, first glance at the box. So you open it up. That's a tactical vest. And if you look underneath packing peanuts, you have TSD M9 Sports, silver. M9 black. And this vest. Alright. So, pistol?
That's a 1911.
Pistol? Is it stuck? That's weird. Pistol. And I have this exactly same pistol. It's a good gun. We'll do a review on this soon. This gun is fairly new to us. We'll be doing this one too. Alright. And that's it for this review. Stay tuned for other, unboxing. Stay tuned for other videos for more info.
Alright, thanks. Peace.